Nature's nurture is my care, with subtle, fragile touch. Its darkening darkens me, as one by one its strands are lost into extinction's well. My despair is my scant effect, as foster child fades from deadly care, and creation's wonders die. As though a father to his breast his child safely enfolds. Nature I cherish in its unfolding, though years long drag my heart toward slowing. I fight the tide that wearies me, while convenience laughs with false superiority, because the improved replaces the real. Woe, primeval, hear my cry, forgive my frailty. Though aid I give, my limits are weak mortality. Living dead, this I dread, that you should be a commodity, serving only commerce and whim. But while I can, I heed the call, spoken first by morning star, because I am moved by your grace.